ways, we are at the center of geopolitics between China and the United States to have a balanced foreign policy. But under Marcos Jr., it's not a balanced foreign policy. It's leaning to the United States up to the extent that our so-called independence, autonomy, and even sovereignty are now compromised. And what are the manifestations of this? First and foremost, you have an additional EDCA/US bases in the country. Before it was 5, now it's already 9, and there's even some kind of rumors that it's not necessarily 9 only. It's around 17, but the only one declared are 9. And if you really look at where this US EDCA bases or military bases are located, they're located in sensitive areas. And what are the sensitive areas that I'm talking about? It's near Taiwan Strait or facing the South China Sea. And we know that the Taiwan Strait is a very volatile region, and you have a contestation between China, of course, Taiwan as